This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. The kitchen is one of the most active spaces in any home. It is used every single day, often multiple times a day, and yet it is also one of the most cluttered and disorganized areas. This is exactly why smart wooden kitchen organizers are not just useful items, they are powerful income opportunities. People constantly search for ways to organize cabinets, countertops, drawers, and shelves. They want solutions that feel natural, durable, and visually pleasing. Plastic organizers may be cheap, but they wear out quickly and lack character. Wooden organizers, on the other hand, offer warmth, strength, and timeless appeal. They fit seamlessly into modern, rustic, and traditional kitchens alike. In this narration, we will explore how smart wooden kitchen organizers can be transformed from simple storage solutions into steady income sources. These are not complicated builds. They are practical, repeatable projects designed to solve real problems, and real problems always create demand. By the end of this video, you will understand why kitchen organizers are among the most reliable woodcraft products to make and sell, how smart design increases value, and how simplicity combined with function can lead to long-term income growth. Smart wooden kitchen organizers succeed because they sit at the intersection of daily use and emotional satisfaction. Every time someone opens a drawer or cabinet, they interact with the organizer. When it works well, it quietly improves their routine. That daily interaction builds appreciation, and appreciation leads to repeat purchases, recommendations, and trust. One of the strongest categories within kitchen organizers is drawer organization. Cutlery trays, utensil dividers, spice inserts, and adjustable compartments are always in demand. These items don't need complex shapes or advanced joinery. Straight cuts, accurate measurements, and smooth finishes are enough to create a product that feels premium. Cabinet organizers are another powerful area. Plate racks, pot lid holders, pan dividers, and vertical storage systems help people maximize limited space. Smart designs allow airflow, visibility, and easy access. When an organizer reduces frustration, it becomes indispensable, and indispensable items sell consistently. Countertop organizers combine function with aesthetics. Knife blocks, utensil holders, coffee stations, and compact shelving units are visible at all times, which means design matters even more. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and quality wood grain instantly elevate these items beyond utility into decor. Wooden spice racks are among the most reliable sellers in kitchen organization. Whether wall-mounted, drawer-inserted, or countertop-based, spices create clutter quickly. A well-designed rack brings order and visual harmony. Because spice collections grow over time, customers often return for additional or matching organizers. Smart design is not about adding complexity, it is about removing friction. Rounded edges protect hands, angled slots improve access, and modular sizing allows flexibility. These small decisions dramatically improve usability without increasing build difficulty. Material choice plays a major role in kitchen organizers. Hardwoods offer durability, while softer woods can be used effectively with proper finishing. Sealed surfaces resist moisture, stains, and odors, making the product suitable for long-term kitchen use. When customers trust the durability, they are willing to pay more. Another key advantage of kitchen organizers is their scalability. Once a design is finalized, it can be produced repeatedly with consistent results. This predictability is essential for steady income. It allows you to plan material purchases, manage time efficiently, and reduce waste. Customization adds strong value in this niche. Adjustable widths, personalized engraving, or size-specific builds for unique cabinets instantly differentiate your products. Importantly, customization often increases profit without requiring a full redesign. Kitchen organizers also benefit from bundled sales. A set of matching drawer dividers, spice racks, or countertop organizers feels more complete and valuable than a single item. Bundles increase average order value and help move inventory more efficiently. Another advantage is year-round demand. Kitchens do not follow seasonal trends the way decor items sometimes do. People organize kitchens when moving, renovating, downsizing, or simply seeking order. This makes sales more predictable across the year. Presentation matters greatly in this category. Clean sanding, smooth finishes, and precise edges communicate hygiene and quality, two things buyers care deeply about in kitchen products. Even simple packaging reinforces professionalism and trust. Pricing kitchen organizers is often easier than decorative items. Customers understand the value of organization. When they see clear improvement in function, price becomes secondary to usefulness. This allows for fair margins without pressure to compete solely on cost. Feedback-driven refinement is especially effective here. If customers ask for deeper drawers, taller racks, or narrower slots, those insights directly improve product performance. Over time, your designs evolve into highly optimized solutions. Long-term income comes from building a recognizable system. When customers see your organizers as a collection rather than individual items, they are more likely to return. Consistent style, finish, and proportions turn products into a brand. Kitchen organizers also build maker confidence. Because they are practical and forgiving in design, they are ideal for improving precision, workflow, and finishing skills. Each build reinforces competence and efficiency. Most importantly, these projects respect time and energy. They don't demand excessive experimentation or risky trends. They reward consistency, care, and thoughtful execution, exactly the qualities that support sustainable income. Smart wooden kitchen organizers have become one of the most reliable products for turning simple storage ideas into steady income because they combine daily usefulness with visual appeal. Kitchens are busy spaces, and people are always looking for ways to reduce clutter, save time, and make their cooking area more comfortable. Wooden organizers naturally fit this need because wood feels warm, durable, and timeless. Unlike plastic or metal, wooden items blend easily with different kitchen styles, which makes them attractive to a wide range of customers. One reason wooden kitchen organizers sell well is that they solve common problems. Items such as spice racks, utensil holders, cutting board stands, drawer dividers, and countertop shelves help people organize limited space more efficiently. Smart wooden kitchen organizers demonstrate how simple ideas can create lasting value. By solving everyday problems with thoughtful design and reliable craftsmanship, these products earn their place in people's homes and in a sustainable income strategy. Every organizer you build improves someone's daily routine. Over time, those small improvements add up, shaping a reputation for usefulness, quality, and trust. With patience and focus, simple storage solutions can become a dependable foundation for long-term success. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.